Filipino food.
Are you guys excited?
Yes!
Yay! Okay, we're gonna get the first one. Hang on. Okay, this is gonna be the first one.
Yay!
You know what is that?
No po.
Okay, this is carioca.
Toyota.
Yeah, that's a dessert. Filipino dessert.
Wow.
Yeah, made with glutinous rice and coconut.
Wow.
Okay, give it a try.
Okay.
How was it?
Good. Good. Sarap parang butche.
Next will be
Would be
turon.
turon. Yay.
Yeah, this is made with banana with brown sugar, just like banana Q. Okay, give it a try. Come on.
Okay.
How was it?
Good. Masarap.
Oh, yeah, masarap talaga yung turon. Isa sa mga paborito ng mga Filipino yan, na merienda. Di ba dati ginagawa din nating merienda yan?
What's next?
What's next? We're gonna try this one.
Wow.
Chicharon bagnet.
Chicharon banet. Hala, ba't na dyan si Peppa?
Kasi skin to ni Peppa.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
It's good. Chicharon.
It's not.
You try. Kumakain ka nga nito eh. Oh. One for you. One for Diana. Oh.
Ano?
Oh, ang bango. Oh, what's the taste?
Good. Pasado.
Oh, masarap yung chicharong bagnet. Yeah, but not too much kasi it's not good for your health. Sometimes lang. Masarap yan, masarap.
Sorry, Peppa, tinato yung skin mo. Sabi, Papa.
Okay, next is, what's this? Hopya.
Hopya.
Yeah. Hopyang Batangas. Look. Oh. You try. Come on.
I will bite this.
How was it?
Good.
Good then.
I like this flavor, Mama. What's this flavor?
Ito, you read. Oh. Oh. Ba?
Or yo.
Ba.
Boy.
Hopyang.
Hop yun. Papa, boy. Tuwadin to tay Peppa.
Hindi, pangalan lang yan, Hopyang baboy, pero hindi hindi yan gawa sa baboy. Gawa nga ba yan? Hindi ko siguro. Oo, pork. Pork flavoring. Oh. Pork.
Pork. Kaya pala malasa.
Masarap naman, 'di ba? Oh.
Sorry, Peppa, tinato na naman ito.
It's okay.
It's not. That's naman. Si Peppa yan.
No, what is this? This is?
This is kwek.
Yeah, kwek. Ayan yung bird sa freezer. Ayan yung egg niya.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you try. Coated lang yan sa orange. Di ba lagi nating pagkain yan? Oh. You want to dip it? Masarap. Dip mo. Try mo lang. It's just an egg.
Look, si Dia, ano kinain ito?
How was it? Be honest. Do you like it or no? It's okay. It's okay if you don't like
it.
Huh? Do you like it or no?
No. Sorry, I don't like
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You don't have to like everything. It's okay. Kinikilig.
Kinikilig ka. Dito daw.
Ikaw, Diana, do you like it? Yeah? Opo.
Gusto lahat.
Next tayo. Fishball.
Fishball. Pati fish. Pati fish, they not the one ball.
Oo, masarap yan. Do you like it or no? No? You don't like the taste? Ikaw, Diana, do you like it or no?
Sorry guys, I didn't put those
Oh,
stuff.
it's okay, dear. It's okay. Hindi tayo pare-pareho ng taste buds. So, it's okay. Ibang food gusto mo, yung ibang food ayaw mo. So, it's okay. We're just letting you try. Okay?
Okay.
Next tayo, okay? Hang on.
Okay.
Okay, next is
Yes.
isaw
Isaw.
and tenga.
And Tenya.
You think you can try this? Isaw and tenga? No?
Yes, but I won't try it. Para matutulit pa. I'm sorry po, pero hindi to tayo.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. So, if you cannot try it, then it's okay. Pero isa to sa mga mga barbecue. Ayan, oh. I'm just gonna show them. Tenga. Yeah. Barbecue. Tenga.
Tulad yung barbecue nut.
Oh, yung pork barbecue natin. O, yun lang. Wag, Diana, no? Not for you, Diana. Ito, isaw. Oh. So, isaw intestine. Yung inside ng tummy ni Papa.
Ami, Papa. Maawat na tayo.
Oo, sige, maaawa na.
Hindi tayo natadaawa.
Oh, hindi na to. Okay, pas si Dior. Pas po si Dior and Diana sa tenga and isaw. How about this? Next?
Balut.
You wanna try?
No. Di ba you like to try it?
Okay, try. Si Dior. Ikaw daw, Dior. Good daw, Dior. Good.
I don't like to try it. It doesn't snap good to me. Tinan mo naman yan, ba't laughing po, Diana? Natutin ang tatat pa. Yes. No.
Oh, enough na daw.
Okay. Pas po at Alexa, balot. Hindi to po talaga tayo.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Alam nila yan. Hindi mo kaya yung balot. Oh, si Diana lang. Oh, next. Wait. Kutsinta, pichi-pichi, and sapin-sapin.
Sapin.
Wait lang, lalagyan natin ng yema.
It's dirty.
Oh.
Kumatayin po ato na tatain.
Kakanin.
Tatanin. Ang sarap. Pasado.
Oh, yeah, pasado. Sarap yung kakanin ni Tita Aileen eh. Ayan.
Masapin-sapin pa. And pichi-pichi.
Next will be the chicken.
Chicken tenders.
What is that?
Chicken.
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 Ano yung niluluto natin kanina?
Chicken neck.
Yan, isa din yan. Mga tinitinda yan sa Philippines. Oo, yeah. That's the chicken neck. Luto na.
And the tea. Maybe it might roll sa tomato. Maybe it might roll sa tomato. What is it gonna do? It will replace my neck. Apa yung neck to?
What's the taste? Tell me.
Lupa.
Masarap, di ba? Oh, masarap yung neck. Oh.
Gusto ko pa yung normal chicken.
Normal chicken gusto mo? Si Diana, oh. Oh, this is gonna be your treat. Kasi, you enjoyed mostly ng mga Filipino food na hinain namin sa inyo. So, what is this?
Hello, hello.
Oh, see, you know, halo. Tada!
Yay!
Thank you for liking Filipino food.
You're welcome po.
Oo. So, umuwi tayo ulit ng Philippines. You're familiar na with Filipino food. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Because I like them.
Yeah.
Because I am a Filipino.
Yes, you're a Filipino.
Filipino Canadian.
Yes.
Thank you for that for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe po. God bless you all.